This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by KongQuee. Beautiful townhouse 3-bed 2.5 bath 2-car garage at the fairways in the prestigious Heron Bay. High volume ceilings with open floor plan. Kitchen with cabinetry, granite countertops, all wood floors and 1/2 bathroom. Upstairs the exclusively private large master bedroom and bath with Roman tub and shower updated with quartz countertops. 2 spacious bedrooms and bath with walk-in closets. Lush Garden views close to the pool and Parkland great schools. For more information, review the details below or contact KongQuee at 954-369-0348.